Look at that.
Man without pants on a Jaydon video?
What the fuck is that? And we also have a surprise for you guys. We not only do we have one rare car in the group now, well, I mean, all the cars are rare because one of a kind. And here it is, guys. It's a G37 sedan, and it's Justin's new car. So Justin's Z no longer exists because he sold it. But this G is actually one of a kind. And what's one of a kind about it, Justin?
It's manual.
It's manual, exactly. And for all you G guys out there who, well, Justin's a G guy now, but all you guys who are owners of Gs, you guys know that the G37 sedan is super rare to come in a stick shift. And look at that.
Man without pants on a Jaydon video?
What the fuck is that? Here it is, guys. Interior is actually mint, and this is the main thing. Look at this stick. It's crazy, man. Welcome everybody. Today we are actually heading to the SEDAN headquarters. We have Justin's double intakes for his rare G37 sedan here. So you know, fucking. Alright guys, so right now we're actually getting gas, and if you live in California, you know the gas prices are crazy. Look at that. How much is that? That's $42 for like, oh my god, that's $42 for probably filling up Justin from like a quarter or something. But the gas prices are crazy right now, man. You didn't even fill up all the way?
No, I was only.
That was $40 fucking for that shit. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so we're gonna head up from San Diego to LA right now, and we're gonna go check out the headquarters. This is SEDAN? How the fuck is this still in business? Alright everybody, here we are at SEDAN headquarters right now. We're gonna pick up Justin's double intakes for his G. Let's go see what's up inside. Oh, it's open. I think we just walk in.
Oh, good call.
What does it say?
He said if you're picking up an item. Okay. I'm outside your headquarters. Give me my phone. Yeah.
Alright guys, so actually, you know, obviously due to the COVID situation right now, we can't go inside the headquarters, but we're gonna head to the shipping and receiving dock right there, and then they're gonna give Justin the intakes. Then we're gonna load it into the car, maybe get some breakfast, then head back to San Diego, and well, are we gonna install it today, or?
We could. And then transmission mount?
Yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, so we're gonna do that today. So, stay on for the journey to do that.
Oh, it's 47 DN. Yeah. Did you guys have that installed, or?
Everybody, so, oh fuck. So here it is. We got the filters right now. Justin's kind of stupid, but it's okay. So yeah, pretty small box. Double intakes, right? This, so it comes with pipes and everything too in this little box. How does that?
You wanna open it right now?
I don't know. Oh yeah, we can open it right now.
Oh, we're chilling. Oh, we're chilling. We're big chilling.
Alright guys, continuing off, we're back in San Diego, and now we're going to install the intakes onto the G37. We're just gonna remove the bumper and then go from there. Where the hell did this fucker come from? What are these guys doing here now? What's everyone doing here, bro?
Oh, dude, there's so much work. I gotta clean everything. I bought throttle body cleaner, mouth sensor.
Everybody, so if you don't know about these intakes, we're actually gonna have to drill out or cut open these holes just a little bit more so the piping fits through on both sides. I think it's gonna be pretty loud. Justin doesn't think so. I think it's gonna be pretty loud. Coming in to open the box here. Is this wait, where does this go? How wide does this need to be? Does this not fit? Which one goes through here? Which pipe goes through there?
It would go in here. Oh, here, back. Let me go read instructions.
Pretty easy, guys. All you can do is just install the little couplers there, and then you're gonna slide it onto the tubing. And then really the only hard part of this, in my opinion, is just cutting the holes out to fit the 2.5-inch piping into the front, where the front two intakes will be. Alright guys, so it's been a while. We actually got a lot of the inlets in here, so if this focuses, it's getting pretty dark out, but we have to cut this this tube right here. We got the two pipings in, and we also got the little air duct vents out. Now all we have to do is cut these, if you guys can see it, these holes here, because these holes are not big enough, so we're gonna have to cut these out, which we'll be able to fit the tubing in, and then the two intakes will sit right here. Right now we're getting extension cords to get the Dremel all the way here, and then we're gonna cut that, and then intake should be in. See if it fits.
No, you're getting the. Oh, sorry. You gotta just take out this whole thing right there.
Okay everybody, it's kind of later and the intakes are on. Justin right now is going to do an idle relearn on the G37 just so the engine's ECU will be able to you know, idle properly and work properly with these intakes. Justin's doing that right now, but regardless, these intakes look really nice up front. Probably look really good with the grill. You'll see that those nice red air filters through the grill. And yeah, I mean, one of them is kind of lower than the other one, but you can always pop that up with you know, some pool noodles or something.
I don't care, dude. Yeah. Push more power.
Here I am trying to catch up.
A final touch.
I fucking hate this car. Oh, I just want a new bumper.
I forgot you getting a new bumper. It's
supposed to come in. I don't know if it came in yet.
Pull it in second. Don't put it first. Pull it in second. Pull it in second. So fucking weird. Okay, Pop. How'd it sound inside? Because the car's slowing down. So it's randomly on our side. Because when you drive manual, you pay attention to the lights a lot more.
Dude, this car, like, it feels different. It drives smoother. It smells normal. Fuck you, Andy.
No, I'm just like, smelling something. Probably my. Hello, buddy. It's the next couple days. Well, not a couple days. It's been a while since I recorded that video, and the reason why I didn't really upload that was because I honestly just didn't have enough footage to edit, and I didn't really want to put out a video like that. But you know, anyways, I really wanted to document Justin's build, because in the future he is gonna start doing stuff to his G37 some more, but he's kind of busy right now. I can't really do it, so that's the reason why I didn't really post, because I didn't want to throw out some content there that would just sit there and not do anything for a long time, because it's not gonna do anything to his car. But you know, I decided to post it now, and I got a couple videos of that lined up, but I am actually in the process of recording another video today, so you guys will see that very soon. So if you guys see me in the same outfit, don't think I just wear one outfit. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. We are growing very slowly but very rapidly, and I really appreciate all you guys for that. All you guys who watch my videos, really means a lot to me. Everyone in this little community we have going on, really making my dreams come true. I love you guys, and the videos are gonna get a lot more better and more funny, I guess, just because, you know, I've just been in a really great mood lately, and I just want to make a lot more videos. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.